Hi there, so my is here back with another video, right? So as you can see, setup it's not where I stay here, right? So I'm doing this sort of update. As I said, I'm doing these business updates, tell you what's going on with the business and whatnot, right? So first thing is I finished the payment for the camera, right? It's only the lens now, but I can pay for that one bit by bit. It's not in a rush, it's not that expensive, right? Second thing, I finished the music video, right? I'm still working on. I finished shooting it. I'm still working on editing it, right? And then, what's the last thing? Oh yeah, I might be shooting a few gigs in the upcoming weeks, photography and whatnot. But those will be going to my to buy the food, those ones, right? Because I use all my food money into buying the camera, right? So this thing of personal funds and business funds really doesn't exist, right? So I also have to finish this thing of business registration and whatnot. It's not much, but every time money comes in, it has something to do, right? There's always something to do with money that comes in. But I need to spend that money to register the business so that I'm all set in terms of future gigs, right? The other thing that's affecting all of the plans and whatnot, right, is this lockdown. I'm not showing up. This lockdown business is really complex, but it's hitting us as videographers, photographers, and whatnot, events and all those things. A lot of things are getting cancelled, right? Weddings and all those things, right? Really sad stuff. Going hungry. On the other hand, people are dying, so you just don't know which one is which, right? Yeah, so that's the update. Bought the camera, will continue paying for the lens, but it won't be affecting me much in terms of like cash flow and whatnot, right? Shot the music video, finish shooting it. I'm supposed to finish editing it tonight or tomorrow, we'll see, right? Yeah, there's the update. All right, have a nice one. There's been in so much easy. Peace. Oh, maybe I can add. I've been lifting. Well, I haven't been lifting. I just came here to lift because these guys, they have those dumbbells and whatnot, right? I came here to lift. What I'm trying to do is get in like the best shape of my life, because if you're in your 20s and maybe towards like 30, 38, like 35, 40, somewhere there was this is not related to videography, but it's interesting to know, right? So if you're in your 20s, late 20s, late 30s and whatnot, you still have your testosterone and whatnot hormones flowing very high, right? So it's very important that you reach your peak sort of physical fitness. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm not sure if I'll lose it because I'm very inconsistent in terms of getting the equipment. Like it's not a priority for me. I haven't even paid for the gym, right? Priority is this business and whatnot. This one I'm doing on the side, but I wanna look really good. That's what I'm trying to do here. That's what I'm trying to do. It's not showing much yet, but we're working. All right. That's been it. Have a nice one. See you next week. All right. Bye. Oh, peace. Whatever I have to say. Bye.